What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's a beautiful Sunday, I think. It's been crazy, man. Oh my god, I got back. I went back down to Florida for work, came back. And it's a lot colder over here. I wish I would have took my bike over there. I would have got a lot of content for the month I was there. It just feels good to be home, man. It really does. But I got a great day right here, so figured why not go out and make a video. So if you're not following me on Instagram, you should be. I'll put it on the screen right here. Your boy finally bit the bullet and did it. I bought the Black Widow full exhaust, just the header section. I didn't get the can because I already have my Yoshi, which is off right now, but beyond excited for that. Cannot wait to make a video, and I'd like to make an install video, my first one on the channel, because there's not really a lot of coverage in the US on these bikes, so I'd like to be the, you know, one of the few that do it. Yeah, if you guys aren't following me on the socials, I'll put it all down in the description below. Make sure you're up to date, man. Make sure you're up to date. Crazy stuff's happening. So today's video, I'd like to talk about a topic I get a lot of questions on, and that's this. This is a Puig windscreen. I don't know all the specifics, but I get a lot of questions on if it helps, how much it is, which one I got. So we're gonna go over all that. So myself, I don't have a lot of experience with this bike without this. I think I drove the first maybe 400 miles. So from 400 miles to almost 8,000, I don't have that good of knowledge on if there was a difference or not. But riding this bike with it, I wouldn't say, because I drove Austin's FZ07 before for a short while, and I definitely did feel like there was like the wind was just hitting me right on the chest, and then I got on this and I felt like it was a little better. So I would go out on a limb and say there is an improvement with it. Like I said, I don't know on this bike specifically, because of course those bikes are different in general with the upright positioning and stuff, but I would say it definitely does help. Maybe not as much as some others want, but I definitely will say it would help. Now the price of it, I think I spent a little over $100, if I'm not mistaken. I think it was over 100. If not mid hundreds, that's it. The install was atrocious. Was by far the hardest part I've ever had to install on this or any bike, period. I don't know what it is, but that front piece on the top right there, what you see on a bike without the windscreen, that got in the way. The column and all got in the way. But after you take hours to put it on and you spend over $100, it does look amazing. It does set the bike off tremendously for what it is. Because I don't know what it looks like without, which I'll show up pictures that I did before and then after. There definitely is a huge difference in looks, which I'm all for, which I feel like there should have been something like this on the front. I know it's a naked bike, but still, it looks a lot better. I bought it off of Revzilla. Their website's awesome. It's very easy to navigate, and they have everything you can think of. Man, it must be everybody's day to go out and ride. It is a beautiful Sunday, which I will say, man, like, I feel like a part of me is missing just making these videos, but then riding the bike, oh my god, man. If you guys haven't checked out the last video, I felt like it was a good one. I didn't get really any views, but it's the algorithm. You get it and then you don't. If you guys haven't checked that out, I'll be putting it in the cards above. But I cannot wait for this riding season, man. It's so much coming up, so much to look forward to. And if you're sitting there waiting to get a bike, man, do it. Save that money. You got a couple more weeks, months, I don't know. It's coming up. But grind and get that thing, man, because it'll change your life. Just don't act stupid and wear a helmet. That's all I got to say. And ride in your comfort zone. A lot of people seem to forget that. Which sometimes you have to check yourself. It's like, wait a minute. Maybe I shouldn't try to drag knee on this corner with this guy I just met. You know what I mean? And don't worry about the chicken strips on your tires. It doesn't matter, man. None of that matters. We're all just here to enjoy it, have a great time, and do it together. Well, I hope I covered what I could about this. I'll put it in the description below. Hold on, we gotta do it for the kids. Hold on. Oh! God, dude, it feels so good. It feels so good to be back. If you guys have any more questions about any other mods or the bike, be sure to drop them in the comments below. If you guys like the video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Stick around if you're new. Be seeing you on the flip side. Peace.